Good afternoon, everyone. I've had a fantastic day today. Even though the weather's kind of been almost like the finest snowflakes and then rain and then bursts of sunshine, I've had another huge shipment of wood arrive, so I'm not sure how to quantify the tonnage, but a lot. And so I've been dicing up again with a few of my middleweight saws, and my 602 Japanese Echo has been flexing her not inconsiderable muscle power. It's fantastic. And I was over at my other workshop and I've pulled a few other saws back which I just never been used, and one is another one of my 654 solos, West German, beautiful. And then I pulled out one of my saws again, which I've never cut with, and I thought, I'm going to show this girl today because they are, well, one is the date is coming up significant, I guess, for this range of saw. These, I think, started in 71, so this is possibly 50 years old this year for this girl. And so Echo 451, just under, I think, 44.5 cc's about there, and quite a design change for Echo from their 60s saws, but again, all top fill, pro saw, fully adjustable chain oiler, and beautiful enameling. This gorgeous chrome pull start housing assembly. Any of you keen-eyed people will recognise a very similar design on another maker's saw for this anti-vibe. So anti-vibe, very early for anti-vibe, 71, and staggering condition all the way around, just simply beautiful. And I was very fortunate I acquired this one from the same gentleman, the Echo dealer that had the 602 previously, that went to shout out Ireland Robert, and they really are. So I have 3 of these. This is my cleanest one by far, and I thought, I'm going to have to show her cutting, see how she performs. She's going up for sale, and can't wait to run her. So my other 451 is the other 2 I have, one of them is a little more tired on the compression. This one has fantastic compression, and even compared to my Echo, the CS-500, which I think is a nominal 50cc but a 49cc, so this one will be giving away 5 cc's. The back to back, you'd have to say, I would think that the 451 might slightly outpunch the CS-500, the ones I have anyway. They quote these up to between a 16 and a 24 inch bar. She's running the original Echo bar with beautiful tip symmetry, just not being used aggressively in that way. Paintwork beautiful, handle rubber fantastic, handle rubber at the back fantastic, manual oiler, auto oiler, this beautiful arrangement for throttle locking, and just an engineering beautiful girl, just gorgeous. So yeah, and then the CS-500s, I think from the late 70s or maybe 1980, around that period, so nearly 10 years later. And even though they're another 5 cc's, I think they only recommend at that stage up to a 20 inch bar, from 16 to a 20, 3/8 pitch, same running gear. And then by the time you get to the CS-550, that's a noticeable increase then from the 451, but very similar design, but the extra 10 cc's on the 550 is really noticeable. Right, let me show you what this beautiful girl runs like. I'm excited because this will be the first day I cut with this old girl, and well, 50 years and just in staggering condition. And it'd be interesting to see. So I guess the chain life is roughly half, perhaps, or just under. She looks sharp, but I don't know. And she also will come with a second excellent chain, which came with the saw, but I've never sharpened it. But it's got fantastic teeth life, but it definitely needs sharpening. Right, so kill switch, throttle lock, choke. They're beautiful starting engines. Fire, choke off. Actually, while I think of it, what's really, really nice, and I kind of take a couple of these features for granted, is the fully adjustable chain wheeler on top. When you are looking down, I hope I'm in shot, when you're looking down yourself, you know, as the operator over the top, you can actually see the increased oil flow between the two chain guide plates, and that it's flowing freely, and it's just so intuitive and such a clever design. Okay, throttle lock. Right, let's put that little beautiful girl safe as well. And with a wood stack like this, these type of mid-engine saws, oh, you can process so much wood so quickly. I can't wait to try her. So, what size is that? That's maybe 10-inch wood, and it's such impressive performance. Chain could probably just do with a, was that one? Double knotted. Chain could probably do with a, undoubtedly, a freshen up with the sharpening. Let's move her to safety. And position a bit more wood. What's really nice as well, and forgetting the gentleman's name on YouTube, the difference between paper figures for saws and practical and empirical usage, just picking the saw up and getting it onto the wood and just seeing how they perform. Some of the saws they're such an eye-opener. So she's a relatively small footprint, but just performs so beautifully. Position, and for this size of wood and coming through a log pile like this, you could probably process this just in a few hours with a saw even this size. Okay, let me see how far into the stack I'm in shot. I can just work through it and show people. Okay, I might just work through a few cuts with the saw, see how she performs. well, they are just, they're just beautiful, beautiful saws to use. So chain definitely needs freshening up by the look of it then, but well, I'm not sure how many cuts that is, and through really decent sized wood as well. So you think 50 years old and still cutting through what are we looking at here? So she's got a 16-inch bar on, and we're going through, yep, probably about 13 to 14-inch wood. Just fantastic. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. They're such a beautiful, beautiful saw to use. Got this very unusual kind of torsion anti-vibe arrangement underneath the chassis as well. At 3 points, a triangulated kind of torsion assembly, which is really, really clever. And this beautiful shock absorber assembly at the back. Let me show her on a restart for you. So, throttle lock, kill switch. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you love the saw. I'd love to hear any comments. They're just the other thing about the Echo saws, which I'm pretty sure I've mentioned before, is the quality of the paintwork, the enameling. The Japanese are just, like so many of their products, they're very, very good at some of the things they do. Guys, more videos to follow. Bye for now.